So first we take two most convex parts of femur, condyle. These are the two most convex areas of femur and the two most concave areas of tibia. This will form our JLCA, joint line congruence angle. Then we find the center of femoral head, that's the center, and we find the center of ankle. The line joining the center of head of femur and the center of ankle is our mechanical axis. So let's say that this is a varus knee which requires an HTO. Now next what we do is to calculate the LDFA and MPTA. We make axis of femur. This is the most convex 2 points of femur joining, and these are the two concave points of tibia. So this is the JLCA. Now we draw the mechanical axis of the femur, which is at the highest point of the femoral trochlea, the highest point between the spines at the tibia, joining the center of ankle or along the tibial axis. The mechanical and the anatomical axis for tibia is the same. The mechanical and anatomical axis of femur is different. So this is the mechanical axis of femur. So this becomes our LDFA. This becomes our MPTA. Now let's concentrate on the calculation of angles for HTO. So we mark a point where our osteotomy will exit from the tibia, which is at the upper end of fibula head here. This will be the lateral extent of high tibial osteotomy. Now we draw a line from that point to the center of talus or the center of ankle, and we measure the length of that line. That is very important, measurement of the length of the line. So if this line, if you see here carefully, this line is 7 centimeters long. Alright, that is very important. Now we identify the Fujisawa point, that is somewhere here. Let us do it with a red pen. So Fujisawa point, let's say it's here. We pass a line from the center of the femoral head through the Fujisawa point, and we extend that line beyond the knee joint like this. Now this is the osteotomy exit point. From there we draw a similar line just of the same measurement of 7 centimeters, which was from the lateral exiting point to the center of ankle. The same length line we have to draw, and we intersect that line with the line drawn from the head of the femur through the Fujisawa point. So this is it. So this is now the angle of, this is the angle of correction. Angle of correction. Thank you very much.